Hello and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. And today we're going to talk about a special product. This is a pre-filter which uses antiscalant balls and a membrane filter to filter out the water that's coming in from your house inlet before sending it either into your RO system, which is used for drinking water, or before you send it into your washing machine, which is used to wash your clothes and to avoid scaling. So when we talk about scaling, there are different salts which cause scaling, which make water hard, and these cause scaling in your appliances like washing machines. So anti-scalant balls are used to prevent this lime scale buildup in RO systems by placing around 5 to 10 balls. These are just like salt. These are crystals, and they're placed inside this particular system. So how they work is they release food grade scale inhibiting agents as water passes through them, protecting this RO membrane, which is inside this, and ensures the life of these membranes is longer. Because these membranes are used to actually block small, very microscopic particles which actually flow through the membrane. Now, if you have salt as well building up in this membrane, then the life of this particular membrane filter comes down. It comes down to very few months, maybe. And that's the reason why we use these crystals to enhance the life of these filters. And even these have a particular life, and that's around 3 to 6 months of regular usage if you're probably using a particular quantity of water every month. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So these are from this brand called Smart Life pureaqua. It says genuine accessories. You can get it on Amazon or Flipkart or wherever you please. And I'm not really doing this for any specific product, but yeah, here I've bought this filter which cost me quite a bit. It's Eco Crystal, and it's a large filter, and I plan to use it for my washing machine. So if you look at this filter, this came separately and this came separately. So these four items came as a part of the package which came with the filter. The sediment filter actually has a pipe which is used to connect your inlet into the in pipe of the filter. So it goes through this membrane, and the water comes out of the membrane in this transparent portion and comes out here. So it's very important to ensure that this filter does not get blocked, both because of formation of scaling on the filter, and also it shouldn't be blocked by these balls which are going to be placed inside the sediment filter. So some of the brands actually mention that you've got to powder these balls and not to put them the way they are, because over a period of time they dissolve, because that's the chemical reaction which avoids scaling. So I'll give you a quick demo of this particular filter. It just opens easily, but they've also given you a spanner which can be used like this to open, tighten or loosen. You don't need to over tighten it, but yes, it should be waterproof tight. So the water just doesn't flow out of here, but is forced through the outlet. And there is another small mechanism here which is attached to this on the top, and they've given me screws as well. So these holds a line, and then you can actually mount it on the wall near the washing machine. This being transparent gives you a very clear overview of what's happening inside, and you can decide when to change that membrane filter. So let's go ahead, jump in and see how the membrane filter looks. So this creates an absolute seal here and even on top, because this sits on this. So if you notice, it's a tight fit, so the water doesn't really get a chance to escape if it goes into this. So it kind of sits tight, and the same on the other end, it sits tight on this particular spindle here below, the one that you can see here. So now we have to ensure that these balls which are used, you could use around 5 to 6 of these balls in this particular sediment filter. Let's go ahead and open it. This looks like this pack has been resealed, but I'm sure this feels like 250 grams, so I'm not going to really doubt their credibility. It's like resealed really tight, so it's causing a little bit of an issue to open it. But yeah, here we go. Finally opened, I guess. Okay, so it's a sealed piece, just that this tape was used to properly attach the invoice. So let's go ahead and cut this. I think I'll need a blade for this. Let me get one. So there we go. We got these balls off. I think they're around 25 to 30 balls, and we're using 6 of them now. And it's highly recommended that these balls actually, are broken and put into your sediment filter, and this will actually increase the life of your sediment filter, because what happens when you use this is it is actually trapping very very minuscule dirt particles, which cannot be filtered by other filter systems. It's a very very high uh, uh, density filter which can even capture very very small objects. I will give you more information in the comments about what exact size of particles are captured by this filter. But the disadvantage of having hard water flow to this is that it could scale this filter, and the life of the filter could be halved to almost like 3 months or 2 months. Because if you have very hard water, the water actually would block, the salts in the water would block this filter rather than particles, which should actually block the filter, hence reducing the life of this filter. And so, what they recommend is you use this particular thing, open it. It's got a rubber seal here, and you got a spindle right at the end. You can see the spindle here. We're going to put this right in there, like this. And once it's seated very clearly on that spindle, it creates a complete block so to ensure water doesn't escape. Now you put these balls in. I'm putting them whole, but it's highly recommended that you break them and then put them in. And since they don't become larger over time, they kind of dissolve in the water and form a compound which does not scale. They're called antiscalant balls. So we'll manage this time with 6 of them. I'm going to experiment it and ensure this particular thing is actually aligned well to sit inside the center of your top attachment. So now you can see it's not shaking and it's correctly seated there. So it won't allow any water to gush out without actually going through the sediment filter and going through the filtration process. So this has got a in and out. You have to ensure that your wall outlet is connected to this in, which takes water directly to the center and sends it through the membrane, which is sealed on both ends and can only allow water to go out of the membrane. So as it goes out, this is a non-reversible process. You cannot clean these filters because those are very, very, very minuscule particles which have to be trapped by the filter. So you have to replace it with a new filter. So as the water goes in from the in and it goes into this, the anti-scaling balls kind of reduce the hardness of the water, not through TDS, but by converting it into another form or a compound, which will ensure that it will not be able to attach itself to your washing machine or the sediment filter even, and it allows the water to go out. And that's the reason why the TDS of the water coming out of this is not going to get affected. This is a learning that even I went through, because these anti-scaling balls do not reduce the hardness of the water, but they convert them into another compound which does not scale your filter, but it takes it out. So don't expect a TDS reduction. Now this system came separately, and I got this attachment to attach this to the wall. Like I stated earlier, you can put 4 screws into this, which I've got in the box. I don't have them here. And you could put this on the wall. I think this way, because the keyhole is this way. So you put it this way and you attach it to the wall. This is a spanner to open it, and this is an extra pipe, because you wouldn't have an extra pipe lying around if you've got a washing machine which is connected to the wall. So I'll be able to give you reviews on this in around 2 to 3 weeks, or maybe 2 months, ideally, to know how the filter works and what's the replacement cost of this filter, and if these smart live pure aqua balls actually help in reducing the scaling in the sediment filter, increasing its life. So that's something we learn. But I hope you enjoyed this video, which shows you how to use these anti-scaling balls, and to also understand what they do and how different are they, because they do not really bring down the hardness level in terms of TDS level of your water, but they ensure they just make a compound which doesn't allow the salts to attach themselves onto your appliances. So that's it for now, guys. And we have a lot more interesting, fun videos like this that can really help you. It could be simple things like increasing volume on your Windows PC, right up to advanced things. And it'd be great if you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because you will be notified when we come up with some interesting videos. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you soon with another instructional video on how to improve your life at home. Thanks, guys, and see you soon. Bye.